Hey everyone, Yumi here with this month's Marvel Collector Corps. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Just in time for the movie. So yeah. This is a sequel box to one that they had a while back in, it was like in December. Not last. It was like their second box, so. But yeah. So top just has little baby groups. I'm kind of tired of Baby Groot, to be honestly. I love Groot. I don't like Baby Groot. We have then symbols of the other Guardians, or emblems, whatever those are. It has their faces. Anyways, first we'll start with the pin, which is looking more like Gamora. She looks pretty good. Patch is Star-Lord. Flag. Of course, masked. Now, inside, put that to the side. We have on the top this time the comic book, which is the variant cover of Groot and Rocket Dancing of Secret Empire issue 0. I'm not really sure if I'm going to read this series or not. I might read this issue 0 variant just to see if I want to. I mean, I know I'm going to read Deadpool that's connected to it because that's the regular Deadpool line, but other than that, there's not really anything in the regular line, which I will buy anyways. Okay, so next we'll go with the shirt. Which now I don't have to wear a Guardians of the Galaxy scarf from the first box to the movie. I'm going to wear this top tee of the full team with Mantis and Yondu on it. I like the ones in this style, but I hope they don't always do them all in this style. Maybe change up the color or something. But it is a good one, and I will be wearing it. Next, we'll go with the pop, because there's a bigger thing in here, which is Rocket with Groot, baby Groot on his head. So I'm glad I never did buy a Rocket Pop figure, because now I have one. Well, not counting the Christmas ornament one, I don't fully count those as pop figures, I count them as half ornaments. Yeah. Little Groot said it's a bobblehead too. Even though I'm not a fan of the Marvel and Star Wars ones always being bobbleheads, I don't mind it for like the small ones. It just means you can kind of move their heads. Kind of. Groot seems to just whip back into place. Come on, Rocket. Stand. There you go. So next, we have another door to rides in the mystery boxes, which is what I think a lot of people thought would be in the first one, which is Milano which is Star-Lord's. Yeah, I'm getting tongue-tied right now. Star-Lord's ship. Because honestly, I thought his ship would have been in the first one. Maybe not as like actual thing, but like Patrick pin or something. That's kind of what I thought. So yeah, Keel falling out. Here. And it looks like assembly will be required for wing. I can get the wing out. Wow, that's for a second. Okay, I can get it out. Wow, how did they get this in? It is like really just in the plastic. I bet like every other person just easily pops it out, and mine just gave me so much trouble. Okay. So next we just pop it right in. Of course, usually assembling is the hard part for me, not taking it out. So yeah. Little Dorby, Peter Quill. His little ship. I would like it if they do a pop rides of this. This would look awesome in that style too. I do like how they have the little stand. So let's see the card or anything important on this side. But the next box is Spider-Man Homecoming. So far, I don't think there's been any other reveals as to what is in it. Of course, even though she's not going to be in the movie, my guess will always be Silk when it's Spider-Man related, because I really want a Silk pop figure. Why is there not a Silk pop figure? I mean, we even have Gwenpool as a pop figure. Does anyone even like Gwenpool? Why does she have 3 variants when I can't have 1 Silk? When I'm fine with having like 10 variants of Silk, like all long hair, short hair, costumes. I want Silk as a pop figure. At least I'm getting a mystery man this summer. So yeah. Well, I don't know where my mouse went. That's what happens when you have trouble getting something out of the box. Till next time, see you later.